Hey y'all, what's going on? Today I'm at Unity Park in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to give you some updates of what they've added here and also give you an update at the commons that I showed you before in my last Unity Park video. Anyway, without further ado, let's go do. And here is the beginning structure of the honor tower that's going here. And as you can tell from this angle here, once you're up there, you'll be able to see a good view of the Greenville skyline. It's a little bit hard to see it here. Yes, it's not Charlotte or Atlanta, but right now the Daniel building is 25 stories. There's a new project coming, Gracie Plaza, that's going to have 2 more towers, one 24 stories and one 29 stories. You can check that video up here at the link in the description. And this is what the honor tower is going to look like when it's completed, honoring those who serve us. Needless to say that it's going to be a great view of the city of Greenville and the surrounding areas. All right, let's go take a look at some other things in Unity Park and around it. And I want to show you another thing too called the wetlands area. And as we come through the wetlands, they do recommend that you dismount and walk your wheels and yield to pedestrians. It's got a boardwalk so you could not walk through the wetlands. It kind of elevates you a little bit, which is a nice little touch here. It gives you some kind of I Spy little game where you can kind of look to see if you can find any of these leaves and whatnot. There's a turtle right there, enjoying the water. This is a Duke Energy outdoor classroom. I guess teachers can bring kids out here, have a little lesson. Vernal pools. I don't know if you've been able to see them or not, but there's a whole lot of butterflies, which is really cool. I see some flying out there now, but you might not be able to catch them in the video here. And it shows you some of the marsh animals that you can find. I've seen obviously some of those monarch butterflies, and we saw that painted turtle. It don't look like a snapping turtle. Bumblebee. Seeing all kinds of little creatures out here. Critters. Young grasshopper. It's kind of a short trail, but there's one other area that leads out to a parking lot, and so does this one. Not too long, but it's a neat little excursion you could take away from Unity Park. Come over here and check out some of the wildlife, and who knows what animals or critters you might see out here. Ooh, there's a pretty butterfly. 2 of them. So last time I did a video on Unity Park, this place right here was open up, and I was wondering what they were going to do with it as far as a possible venue to like have music or something like that. But this is what they've done to it. It's a Prisma Health Adaptive Sports and Wellness Center. But not only that, but they've added on to the commons here. In the last video, you saw where I ate here and had a beer from the community tap. So let's go and see what they've added. This is what they've already had before: Methodical Coffee, Community Tap, Trailside Brewery, Golden Brown and Delicious right there. The Automatic Tacos, which you saw me eat before, which is a great spot. But now they've added this new section back here. Here's the new section. Let's see what they've got in here. Looks like they're gonna have some more spaces available here later. This is the place I knew I was smelling from the outside. It's called Indigo. Looks like an Indian spot. Let's see what they've got on the menu. Here's the Indigo Kitchen. Oh man, I tell you what, I'm gonna have to try this for sure one day. This reminds me of Optimus Hall, how they have that one Indian spot that I ate at. Indigo. Also have a new barbecue spot here called Moo Hogs Craft Barbecue. Kuka Juice. And possibly a new place right there is gonna come along soon as well. And then La Rue on the Commons. Wine, beer, bubbles. Let's see what they got over here. Sweet treats and more. With that, we've added a lot more seating areas as well. So come on, check out the Commons. Pretty nice spot. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me here today at Unity Park. I hope you enjoyed these updates, and I can't wait to see when it's all complete, especially the Honor Tower. And I'll definitely come give you an update when that's done. Also, come check out the Commons. It's an awesome place to grab some food and some drink. Thanks for tagging along. Stay safe and live life to the fullest.